Hi, I just wanted to do a quick review of this small tote bag. Really, it's a small one, but it's bigger than the purse that I normally use, but it is wonderful. I take my granddaughter to her swim lessons, and this is going to be perfect. I can put all her swim stuff in here. It's actually big enough to hold a towel and to probably put her little floaties in here. So it's a great size. I like that it already has this little pocket in here with the zipper, so I can store my phone in there or just whatever snacks or something like that for her. Let me show you how it fits. It fits great. So I can put it on my shoulders. It feels nice and comfortable. I like that it has these flexible handles on here. The bottom, I like that it's a hard bottom. So it's really nice for it to just sit down. If it gets dirty, I can just kind of hose it off and then just let it dry. But it seems really durable and sturdy. So I really, really like this. And they come in all different colors. So I would suggest collecting them all because they are super fun to have and very convenient. So I hope this review helped you. Thank you.